this is G from Outlier Automation. I'm down here in Cypress, California with Staubli Automation at their open house. I'm here with PTI, Tyler, and I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about your company.
Of course. So PTI was founded about 40 years ago by our Swiss founder. It is a privately owned family company, and we specialize in sensory technology and scientific know-how for closed container integrity testing for the pharmaceutical, medical device, and food and beverage industries.
And you have a facility in the US?
We do. So we have a facility, our main headquarters would be out of New York, just outside of New York City. And then we have a sister location right outside of Geneva in Switzerland.
So what type of machines do you have, and where does Staubli come in?
So Staubli comes in where we take our sensory technology and adapt it in a semi-automated fashion in order to test high-risk or difficult-to-test components, such as combustible, API, or in-process control, or for batch testing, and eliminates the human error.
Is this always needed with containers, or is it like specific applications with different types of fluids?
Often it is for very special or very niche applications, but Staubli Robotics comes in addition to our semi-automated, but also within our fully automated solutions for your inline testing.
Cool. Well, thanks for talking with me today, and I think these are really awesome applications. I appreciate it.
Thank you.